Hi there, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Motivational Monday, and I think this is going to be the last Motivational Monday before Christmas now, because it's only a week away. I thought I would cover today a few last minute gift ideas. Anyone struggling out there still? Have you got some last minute Christmas shopping to do this week? I think we're pretty much done. Just a few things I want to get. We always leave a few easy bits and pieces for the last week of Christmas, and then we like to go into town with the kids, do a bit of late night shopping, and to be honest, it's mostly just for the atmosphere, music, lights and all that. Grab a hot chocolate and some cake, but we do save a couple of last things for that particular shop. Today I'm going to run through some last minute gift ideas though. Even if you have got all your shopping, bear these in mind. They're really great gifts, so even if it's not for Christmas, it could be for a birthday. The first thing I'm going to show you, one of my favorite types of gift to do, is a gift bag gift. I love doing these types of gifts. I collect them, some of them throughout the year, and I do these for birthday as well as gifts. A nice gift bag. These are from Poundland. They're just £1. Stuff it with tissue paper, and then you get all kinds of gifts inside. I like to collect bits and pieces so that when friends or family open their presents like this, they go through the gift bag and there's lots and lots of pieces inside. This is for one particular friend, and she's just had an extension done. She's got a brand new kitchen, and it's a very clean and contemporary kitchen, so I bought her this Ray Dunn cookie jar. Well, I'm guessing it's a cookie jar. It's got Enjoy on it, but I've got this from Home Sense. I also bought a Yankee candle holder with Yankee candle earlier on this year. Some really nice shower gel, hand cream, and then we always pick up these for this particular family when we're in the States, and I always keep them for Christmas because I know her boys love the peanut butter M&Ms that you can't buy here, and because I like to have a laugh, I've enclosed this, some lovely soup, which I think her family will find rather amusing on Christmas Day. Her kids are much older, by the way. So hopefully she will have fun going through that bag. Another bag that I'm making up for friends, and I saw this idea, I think it was on Pinterest, and I loved this idea. Inside the gift bag I have got these really fluffy cozy slippers. Love these. They're from Primark and they're £4 a pair. They are so cozy. Inside I've got really nice shower gel, face packs, I've got nail varnish, I've got these little eye masks. I think they make a really nice gift, and in total it's come to under £10. I think that's a really good gift, and again I'm using Poundland gift bags. You can obviously fill them with all kinds of things. I think the whole kind of like face pack and kind of self-care thing is a really nice gift to give a friend or a family member. Now this next gift I'm going to warn my sister's family to turn off if you're watching. I know my little niece Millie watches my videos, so Millie, if you're watching, please go away, as the next gift is a surprise and I really don't want this ruined. So I have upcycled a board game or a family game. It is Guess Who, and I had this idea ages ago and I managed to find one, or one very similar, in a charity shop, so I've picked it up. So if you aren't familiar with this game, it's a really good family game, and you each get a board and you have to try and eliminate and work out who's on each other's card. So I have gone another step further, and on this particular board, instead of having all the generic people, I've stalked everyone on Facebook, and I've collected loads and loads of photos, printed off my sister's whole family, and it's now completely personalised to her family. I can't wait for the family to open this. And I've done a whole little stash of cards as well. So they've now got their very own Fletcher family of Guess Who. I'm so excited. So I really recommend you do this for your family. I let my kids have a go. I thought that they would think it's really silly. They're 16 and 19 and they loved it. They sat here playing this, absolutely killing themselves laughing, and they wanted me to make one for them as well. So if you can pick up a Guess Who in a charity shop or on eBay, or something like that, or even pick one up cheap in a toy store, I'd really recommend you go there. Print off your own photos and make your own family Guess Who. Another really nice gift is anything handmade that's edible, or those Christmassy types of treats. I'm in the middle of filming a video right now for all our favourite type of Christmas treats, and one of the things that we love to make are Christmas nuts. These are so delicious. They're really quite, I say spicy, but it's like a cinnamon type spice. Really good. You can give them in jars. I bought this jar in Poundland, or you can gift them in cute little bags. And in Tiger, I found these really nice boxes for £1 with a little tree on top, and it pulls out in like a jar, and I put a bag of nuts in these. You can obviously make things like toffees, fudge, sweets, anything like that. They just make a really lovely gift, and I think anything that's handmade just is extra special. Another one of my favourite kind of gift ideas are mug gifts. I love these, and again, they don't cost too much money. I bought this mug in HomeSense. Actually, it may have been in TK Maxx. They're obviously the same. It's a Ray Dunn mug. It's really lovely and chunky, lovely large mug for $3.99, and you can do loads of different things with mug gifts. I've got some sachets here, different hot drinks. I've also got, I think this makes a lovely gift, a really nice mug with a box of mug cake treats. I picked this one up in Lidl for £1 something. I think that makes a really good gift. I've also, in the past, I've done these for teachers' gifts before. I've used, bought a mug and put the ingredients in for a mug cake, and then attached a little card of, a little recipe card for how to make the mug cake. You just need to add the wet ingredients, then that makes a really good gift. You could also even buy a child's mug and pop crayons, pencils, paintbrushes, that kind of thing in. The mug gifts, they're not expensive to make. You can even pick up the mugs in Poundland. They have some really nice ones. Another idea, you can do a mug, maybe attach, include some hot drinks, but then also include a gift card for Starbucks or Costa. And whilst I'm on the subject of gift cards, I like to include a small gift with my gift cards. I've bought them for the nieces and nephews this year. Poundland have some really silly gift ideas. Love them. They are obviously just £1 each, and I'm teaming silly presents up for the nieces and nephews to go with their gift cards this year. It's really worth a look in there for some silly little bits and pieces. And finally, one of my favourite gift ideas this year, this is for my niece who has some food intolerances. I am introducing them to the world of bento boxes. I've got the sweetest little bento box. If you haven't heard of bento boxes before, they are from Japan, and it's just a really cute way of doing food. So we've got a little layered lunchbox. There's a knife and fork in there to match, and it's all lots and lots of little bits and pieces. So we've got little animal picks here, and you can then pop them like in tomatoes or eggs. They've got like little fork backs. And then we've got little cutters here. You can cut sandwiches, you can cut cheese, you can cut, you can use these for rice if you want to make your own little sushi. And the idea is that there's just lots and lots of little bits and pieces in the lunch boxes, and it's just to make it really cute. I'm going to print off some ideas. I'm going to go onto Pinterest and save photos, print off some ideas to include with this gift. Bought this off eBay. You can buy them all over the place though. I think it was £5 something, and these were just £1 something also on eBay. So again, it just makes a really, really nice gift idea, and it's not very expensive. So that's it for my last minute presents, my gift ideas. I hope they've helped you. Let me know, how are you doing with your Christmas shopping? Have you got much more to do? Are you doing really well? And with regards to my homemade Guess Who, have you made or been creative with any of your gifts as well? I would love to know. Please leave your comments below, and let me know how your shopping's going. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you don't already, and have a lovely week before Christmas. It's not long to go now. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.